you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how, putting on a show. I know that.
What's up guys, DJ Redcon1 here. I'm just doing a little unboxing, as you see. I started this video, but the camera wasn't working right, so I'm going to show you what we got here. So, first of all, we got this sweatshirt. Pretty awesome. So we got a hat to match it. Pretty cool. What else we got here? Rebars. Donuts. More MRB bars. This carrot cake. Let's see what else we got. Oh wow. Cherry lime. Love this. Next we got kale. Good product. Be doing a product review on all my staff pretty soon. Next we got Blue Sick. Product. I'm going to be taking splitting up doses every morning and night starting tomorrow. And next is good old Total War. Needed some more of that, so let's see. That's what I got. So next video I'll be doing probably a stack video. I'm going to be getting ready to do my workout tonight as well for tomorrow, getting ready for chest day. You can always follow me on Instagram. Most of the time I'll be posting on there. Yeah guys, always use my discount code in the description or on my Instagram or even Snapchat. I'll be posting it here and there, and Facebook. T20 Devin J to save 20% off of your Redcon1 order. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video and seeing what I got in the unboxing video today. Peace.
Yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, hey. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over.